Hey there, the curious learners. This is Shivani from PMO Agile. Today we are diving into the world of project management and exploring the definitions of waterfall methodology and agile methodology. But hold on tight. We are not just going to talk about their definitions. We are going to see simple analogies to explain both of them. If I talk about waterfall methodology, waterfall itself is its biggest and best relatable analogy. Look at the waterfall and the process flow of methodology and see how closely they resemble. Just like the waterfall flows downward in stages, a project in the waterfall methodology progresses through a series of clearly defined phases, one after the other. Further downstream, the water reaches a calm pool where it gathers again. So that is like the end phase of our project. Similar to our deployment phase where project is ready to be launched and shared with the world. It is like the water rejoining the river. Isn't this a perfect simile? Isn't it interesting? Similarly, if you look at Dart, the Dart game also has one typical feature resembling to waterfall, which is what? Which is the target. It has the central point, the defined scope of our project. So, if we think about waterfall and the dart game, the two examples, the two analogies themselves tell you a lot about waterfall methodology. Absolutely clear? Is it clear? Tell me about it. If yes, type in yes in the comments column. Shall we move to the next? Next to learn is agile methodology, the best analogy and something we all use almost every day in our life now when we are on road. And that is what? The GPS system. So look at the GPS system. It behaves so much like agile. In fact, it is agile. We enter the destination address where we want to go, and similarly in agile also, we start with the product backlog, which is what? A list of all the features we want to include in our project. Now think of our road trip and divide it into multiple short stretches. This is what? The sprints. Each sprint is a small manageable piece of work, much like a segment of your journey that you can tackle individually. And after each sprint, we readjust, we regroom the scope, and just like GPS readjusts periodically and shows the optimum route, similarly in sprint also we adapt. We change our routes after each sprint. I mean, we can change if we want to. So, as you drive, the GPS provides real time information. Similarly, in Agile also, when we are working, after every sprint, we have the real time reviews, we have the real time feedback, and we work on it and we improve in our processes. Believe me, both of these trust on the path of continuous improvement. So, when you think of Agile, think of GPS, and you are right there. Look at this another interesting feature, another interesting example. This is the example of a car getting manufactured. So both the routes are correct if you really see, in these diagrams, but one does not really talk about agile. Why? Because agile also has a concept of delivering usable executable after every sprint. So in the above diagram, if you see, the deliveries are not executable, whereas the diagram below has got at every delivery there is something that can be used. This is what agile is. In agile, we try to deliver, we try to keep delivering, and that helps us getting the right feedback also. And that also makes us feel that whatever we are manufacturing is going towards the right route. I hope you like my analogies and explaining the definitions and features. If you did, and if you understood the concept, please press like and subscribe to PMO Agile right away. Thank you.